kind of as I was expecting. Well, as I was looking on the bus, looking at the weather and stuff. It's gonna be pretty a slow process to get where we're going. You know, we could be like, they could be like, you know, the 3 p.m. might show up and it might sail because it's not too windy. Or it could be like 9 p.m. So 3 p.m., 9 p.m. Yeah, very high winds. I think I saw like 45-kilometer-hour winds. Yeah, it's gonna be red for a very long time. Sit. It's a miracle. Look at that. That walk person. In slow hopes that they were gonna sail it. I guess we got a captain. You know, he's got something to prove. Or she or they. We got something to prove. We'll get her in there.
All passengers, please remain seated as much as possible while we cross the Salish Sea due to the heavy weather. Thank you for your understanding, and please ask for assistance if required.
I asked the person, like, hey, so is the captain, he like something to prove? He's like, yeah, he's kind of, you know, he's got something to prove, so that's why they're sailing, because, so I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully this goes okay. Also, we were told not really to walk around, but that's probably what I'll be doing, because it's pretty fun. I'm gonna get my sea legs somehow, right? Oh, look at that spray. Is this for your night vision?
Yeah, totally.
Oh my gosh, this is so exciting.
Hey, Captain, just got my friends up here. We're just gonna hang out on the other end. I keep my friends up here, just gonna show them the stuff on the non-operative end.
Hi, how's it going? Wow.
Yeah. So yeah, this is the bridge. Happy to deck here, it's kind of fun.
Seems like fun job.
Yeah.
They're so cute.
I think there's like 3 or
Alright, starting on a hill. Good.
Perfect spot.
Got me dreaming the heart was right wrong. And I just one more time saying those things again, making me believe that you just and way down deep inside.
Hey, good morning everyone. So yeah, we are here on Galiano for the Vancouver Island Bikepacking Collective. It really rolls off the tongue. One thing that is always surprising to me is how you can wake up at like 7:30 a.m. and like 80% of the group has already packed up and left, which I don't know if these Victoria people are like on some other clock or something, but yeah, it's always surprising where you're like, like, where's everyone? It's only 8 a.m. and everyone's left. There were ferries to catch as well, but you know, it's Sunday, so the weather looks pretty nice. Gonna hang out here for a bit. Just really wander around the camp. Well, I was talking to one of the older gentleman park operator. Said he like was retired as a paramedic, but then got into sailing, and like I don't know, was like here randomly, and just like someone had a heart attack, and the people were like, "Hey, we need like medics here." So he's like, "Yeah, I can." He parked like his sailboat right there, and then just I don't know, works. It's kind of bad storytelling there, but.
There's like a little shack waiting area for the ferry. Oh, this was on Cortez. All the ferries get canceled, but you boys can't stay any longer than that.
Good catch. Good camping trip, Remy? Yeah? What's your favorite part about camping? All you can eat pine cones?